People never listen. Yeah, YouTube, so pretty much what you just seen me do is I'm grinding this box. It was a parts washer for my dad, but he don't want it anymore, so I grind that slit out there for my stacks. So yeah, let me show you what that looks like, what my stacks is and stuff. Cover them up and probably figure out something for them. But here we go. There's the stack right there. Let's cover them up. People be looking at them. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, what's up YouTube? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with an update. Alright, see, there we go. Alright, we got the parts washer box cut out. You can see right there. We got the holes cut out for the exhaust. Right now we're about to make the brackets on the drill press. About to drill them out. Yep, about to drill them out, and we got some bolts and stuff I'll show y'all later, but we're about to drill the holes first and then cut it with the bandsaw. I got this bandsaw, I got this quarter cable from Lowe's. Pretty good, cheap, about 100 or something. Sometimes I put fluid on there, you know, drill it. Sometimes I don't. Boom. One done. Got 4 to go. I line it up. Look at all those good chips. Alright guys, so here's an update. Right now I already made the brackets. That's what the brackets look like. And the brackets are pretty much, I'm going to show you right now, I'm grinding. But I'm going to set them up like that where it's going to be flush with the bottom. So when I bolts to the bed, so when I go all the way over, line it up, get ready to grind it. So I'm going to TheWeld these on. I already marked out the lines, and that's what the bracket looks like. You know, drill press, bandsaw cuts, and stuff like that. So I'll show you what the bandsaw cut look like clean. So you can't get this trying to focus. All right. That's what the bandsaw cut looks like. But right now that's what we're about to do. We're about to grind that off, clean it up, You know, I'm about to go ahead and grind and whatnot, and y'all stay tuned. Thank you. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TheWeldingMachine coming to you guys. Update. Just finished welding everything. I'm gonna go show you some of these welds, and thanks to the Alpha TIG, whatever. So we got a dramatic scene for you guys. Dramatic scene. Display. Let's check out some of these welds. So, let's see, let's zoom in on that one. Got some more welds over here. And we'll flip it over for you guys to see. But, you know, we welded it out. Well, I welded it out. And it just took a few minutes cutting the braces and stuff. And we'll see what the welds look like. It should hold, you know, thanks to the drill press. Fudge. Got the welders, got all my junk out the way. So I was cleaning up my side of the shop. But, boom, sits flat. There's a hole opening for the stacks to go in. About to go take a test fit up. Mark the holes, get ready to drill the holes. Slap the bolts on, probably paint it too. So we'll set it up. TIG back. Yeah, you know, got the brackets on and whatnot. These welds cinematic. And the rest of these welds on this box is already premature, pre-made, whatnot. You know, I'll show you the welds. There you go. Already, you know, painted and whatnot. Gotta let it cool down a little bit. Check it out.